How did life begin? It's one of the greatest questions of science and philosophy. From the early days of Earth to the first signs of life, this journey takes us back billions of years to a time when our planet was a chaotic, hostile environment. Yet from this chaos emerged the very first life forms, leading to the incredible diversity of life we see today. To understand how life began, we must first understand the conditions on early Earth. Approximately 4.5 billion years ago, our planet was a molten ball of rock. Over time, it cooled, forming a solid crust and a thick atmosphere composed of gases like carbon dioxide, methane, and ammonia. The surface was bombarded by meteors, and the oceans were filled with a nutrient-rich primordial soup. It was in this harsh environment that the first building blocks of life began to form. Scientists have proposed several theories about how life might have started. The most famous is the primordial soup theory, which suggests that simple organic molecules formed in Earth's early oceans, eventually leading to more complex molecules, proteins and nucleic acid. Another theory involves hydrothermal vents on the ocean floor, where mineral-rich water provided the energy and materials needed for life to begin. There's also the panspermia hypothesis, which suggests that life or its building blocks might have come from space, carried to Earth by comets or meteorites. In 1953, scientists Stanley Miller and Harold Urey conducted a groundbreaking experiment to test the primordial soup theory. They simulated the conditions of early Earth by combining water, methane, ammonia, and hydrogen in a closed system, then zapped it with electricity to mimic lightning. After a week, they found that simple amino acids, the building blocks of proteins, had formed. This experiment was a major milestone in our understanding of the origin of life, showing that the basic components of life could indeed be formed from non-living matter. Another key idea is the RNA world hypothesis. RNA, a molecule similar to DNA, can store genetic information and catalyze chemical reactions. Scientists believe that before DNA and proteins, life may have been based on RNA. In this RNA world, RNA molecules could have replicated themselves, leading to increasingly complex forms of life. Eventually, these RNA-based systems evolved into the DNA-protein world we know today. Deep in the ocean, hydrothermal vents spew out hot, mineral-rich water. Some scientists believe these vents may have been the cradle of life. The heat and minerals provided the energy needed for chemical reactions, and the unique conditions may have allowed simple molecules to assemble into more complex ones. These deep-sea environments are still home to unique ecosystem, offering clues to how life might have started. Could life have come from space? The panspermia hypothesis suggests that life, or at least its building blocks, may have arrived on Earth from elsewhere in the universe. Comets and meteorites contain organic compound, and some even show evidence of amino acid. If these celestial bodies collided with Earth, they could have delivered the necessary ingredients for life to begin. While this idea is still debated, it opens up the exciting possibility that life on Earth could be connected to life elsewhere in the cosmos. Eventually, these simple organic molecules organized into the first living cells. These early cells, or protocells, were likely simple membrane-bound structures could carry out basic functions like metabolism and reproduction. Over millions of years, these protocells evolved, becoming more complex and giving rise to the first true living organism. This marked the beginning of biological evolution, which would eventually lead to the vast diversity of life on Earth. While we have made significant progress in understanding how life began, many questions remain. How did the first molecules organize into living cells? What were the exact conditions that sparked life? Scientists continue to explore these mysteries, using advanced technology and even searching other planets for clues. The study of life's origins not only helps us understand our own beginnings, but also guides our search for life beyond Earth. Life's origin is one of the most fascinating and profound topics in science. From a barren planet to a world full of life, the journey of life's beginning is a testament to the power of nature. As we continue to search for answers, we gain not only knowledge but also a deeper appreciation for the miracle of life on Earth. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science content.